Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign up, set up your preferences, and Monica helps you organize everything from managing your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals. It's super intuitive and saves time so we can focus on what really matters. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Monica AI. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Monica like that. So, let's just dive into Monica and then you will find the first results, which is the first one, and you click over it. You will find here Monica like that, and here we have the home page. Firstly, before show you how you can sign it up and start your inscription using this platform, you have just to know what is Monica firstly. So Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps track of your tasks, reminds you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place, making life a bit easier. Right now, I will show you how you can get started. We have also here a various information before getting started. You have to know how it works with this platform before signing up and get your account on Monica. So firstly, we have two options. The first one, you have to click over as to Chrome. It's free, and you'll find other page, or we find here App Store, or here we have Chrome Web Store, and you click over add to Brave, and you'll find it in your Brave, and you get started. Also, we have here other option if you don't need to download or upload your Monica. You'll have just to click over here in the top right. I already have an account, that's why it's up here Moha. I think it's a funny nickname, but it's past, so forget about it. You have just to click over here. You will find signing in for you. If it's your first time to join this platform, you click over sign in, and you'll find other page, which is this one. You will find here log in if you already have an account, but if it's your first time, you have just to click over sign up for free above log in. Then you'll find here this page. You can choose one of these three options. The first one, which is sign up with Google, sign up with email, or sign up with Apple. I already choose this one, so you can choose the one you want, and you can choose the one you already used in your daily life once you joined one of the websites, right? So you have just right now to add your email address, your password, and the nickname as well. So the nickname, you don't have to choose like my nickname. It's funny nickname. So let's just click on over signing up, and then you will find the home page, which is or the account in Monica. All right. So first, let's just here discovering some information about this one. There are several things. You have just to stick around until the end, because I will show you various things and the various options with this platform and his difference between other AI for research and helps in daily life. All right. So first, let's just ask the first question that it's rolling over in your mind, which is what is the difference between Monica and ChatGPT? Let's just ask Monica. So what is difference between Monica and ChatGPT? And you click over enter, and here we have the difference. Monica is a specific implementation of GPT for architectures designed to assist users with various tasks and provide information in a conversational manner. While both Monica and ChatGPT share the same underlying technology, Monica may have specific features or capabilities tailored for particular use case, right? So I will ask other question. Which one is better? For example, which one is better? Which one is better? So the better option depends on your specific needs and preferences. If Monica has features of or customizations that align more closely with what you are looking for, it might be the better choice for you. Conversely, if ChatGPT offers functionalities that suit your requirements better, then it would be preferable. Ultimately, it's about which tool meets your needs more effectively. So we know ChatGPT how it works, but now let's just discover the platform and let's choose the one that's better for us. So firstly, we have here chat, and already here ask about it. And you have firstly here some options that could help you. You can just here select AI search, or if you want craft artifacts, or chat with page, generate documents, or generate other things. And you click over here to know all and more. Also, we have here select which one do you want. If you want GPT-4o, Cloud, Preview, Mini, Cloud, and we have a GPT-4o Mini, Gemini, if you want to also here Llama GPT-4, and other things. Right now, let's just move into the boats to more understand about the options that we have in this platform. For example, and we have here top, and we have recommended here, such as writing agent, and we have here under the information for each one. You can just here select the one you want. Then we have travel planner, website cooperation, email generator, snap solver, bedtime stories for children, document assistant. So you have just to select the one you want. For example, I will click over this one and I will ask anything in this case. All right, right now let's just go into the search about this one. You'll find some novel or some cases. For example, we have what is the colorize latest on Israel-Hamas conflict, impact of UAW strike on economy, and other things. You can just here choose the specific thing that you want to ask about it, and you click over enter once you're done, and you get started searching more and more about this case. All right. So right now let's move on to the next option, which is read. About this one, you have just to upload here by clicking over here from your computer, and then or you can just enter URLs like YouTube or Medium, and you click over it and you get started asking about it. All right, then we have it right. So firstly we have it compose. About this one we have a specific things that could help you. So firstly you can just here select the length if you want auto, short, medium, or long. Then we have here format if you want auto, email, message, comment, paragraph, article, blog post, ideas, outline, Twitter, and we have also add format. About tone, you can just select also here auto, amicable, casual, friendly, professional, witty, funny. We have formal, and you can select also the language and you click over generate once you're done. Then we have your translate. You can just select here which language that you want, and also here you select which language, and you enter text to translate, and you click over translate once you're done, and you will find here resource that could translate your word. And if you find here the same word in these three sources, so it's you can just verify to be sure about your response. For example, you find something about one word that you don't know anything about it, and you ask her, and you'll find, for example, here one source. You will not be trust, because if you find three source or more source, you will be more comfortable, I guess. So that's it for translate right now by just selecting the language that you want, and you'll find here results in three sources. Alright, then we have also here AI art. You can here describe the picture, characters, scene, and style you imagine. For example, you just saw one famous actor or one famous person, and you have just to describe who is it and where you saw it, and then you will find here the guesses. All right, so then we have also here toolkit. About this one we have here shot with PDF. If you want an AI resume scanner, PDF to Word, PDF to GPT, OCR, PDF, AI resume checker, invoice scanner, PDF to PNG, and PDF to PPT. Also we have here image tools, AI tools, and in there we will find here the specific things that provide each one. So for example, start with PDF, we have easily get intelligent summaries and answers for your documents. You have just to click over it and you will find it like that. You have just to click or drag here to upload, and you get started with this platform, which is Chat PDF and Monica. So that's why I think Monica is better, because we have here various options such as translate, write, read, search, bots, and also we have here translate, AI art, and toolkit, and memo as well. About memo, we'll find here what's your mind. You have just to type it here, and then you have just to get something. For example, which platform is best? That's my platform is best. ChatGPT or Monica. They will just click over enter here. All right. So this is it right now for Monica, and we have various things that could help you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.